H40, there's no other traffic out here. We're eastbound at about 70, and I'm recording video.
10-4.
H40, eastbound American from DeWolf. Pretty speeds 80, no other traffic.
10-4.
I'm going to have clear here in a second.
Alright.
40 still eastbound, speeds of about 90 now, and still no other traffic.
10-4, copy, still eastbound.
We're coming up to Delray.
Yep.
No traffic though.
H40, passing McCall.
Pass you a call.
Traffic with that intersection, guys. 33, I'm clear. 1000 block of Muscat's gonna be a dead end.
H40, yeah, firm. I think, they're heading in there right now. Car's coming to a stop, and we're going to have a leg bill. Running westbound. I've got 5 now. They're going to backyards on 11th.
Second house.
Backyards on 11th.
Okay, they're hunkered down. They're going to be on the north side of 11th Street, east of Tucker.
North of 11, east of Tucker.
Where are the units at?
Coming.
On Tucker. Tucker now.
Okay, yeah. This is the California Highway Patrol. We see you guys hiding down there in those yards. The entire block is surrounded. They have a police dog. If the police dog searches for you, you may get bit. I want you to walk out with your hands up in the air. Come out to the street.
Sterling 97, the canine announcements from the PA from H40 is visible, audible from the ground.
This is the California Highway Patrol. This whole block's surrounded. They've got police dog. We can see you guys hiding down there. Why don't you just come out to the road with your hands up in the air, make yourself known to officers. Somebody get
it. We're making contact with you.
H40, eastbound American from DeWolf. Pretty speeds 80.